My name is Amarachi Atama. I am a performance poet, a festival manager, and a creative entrepreneur. I was trained in festival management by the British Council and also participated in the Atelier for Young Festival Managers in Johannesburg, South Africa. I perform in my local dialect, the Igbo language. The Igbo language is the language of the southeastern people of Nigeria, the Igbo people. After the United Nations prediction that thousands of the languages that exist today are going into extinction, I decided to come up with a unique thing to project our language, because my language was also predicted as an endangered language. And that was how we started our festival, the Oja Cultural Festival. In this year's cohort, it will be a great opportunity for me to be there and share my experiences in organizing festivals. And I will be also glad to perform in my local dialect. Also network with other amazing young African leaders.